Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Ryusei. Today I'll share one of the most popular Japanese fried chicken, Karaage. There are so many Karaage recipes in Japan, but today's recipe is quite simple. I don't use sake and mirin. The seasoning is just soy sauce. And in this video, I introduce some tricks to make perfect Karaage. I hope you enjoy crispy and delicious Karaage at your home. Yes, let's make it. Today we'll prepare 2 chicken thighs. First, turn the chicken over and spread the skin like this. The skin is a quite important part of delicious karaage. It will keep the moisture of the chicken and the texture of the skin will be crispy. Okay, return the chicken. Then trim the excess skin. We should remain the skin like this, about 3 mm, because the skin is shrink when it's cooked. Separate the fat and meat with the tip of the knife carefully. Good. Don't cut here close to the meat, and we should cut here. Nice. Turn it over again. The skin completely covers the meat. This is important to make juicy and crispy karaage. Next, we'll cut the chicken thigh. I recommend to cut the chicken into big chunks. Big chunks of the chicken hold the moisture well. As a result, the outside is crispy and the inside is moist and juicy. Let's cut the chicken into 5 or 6 pieces. We place the chicken facing skin side down and slice the knife back and forth without power. Good. It's essential that the skin is attached to the meat. Perfect. Like this, then scale the cut chicken. It is 571 grams. I recommend to use soy sauce that is 6% of the chicken's weight. 34 grams. This is also important. I highly recommend to scale soy sauce too. For me, 6% is the best. We can enjoy the flavors of soy sauce and chicken. Then grate the garlic and ginger. I recommend to use fresh garlic and ginger. Both are 10 grams of ginger and garlic. This recipe is super simple but delicious. Today I use soy sauce which is produced in Kaga Prefecture, Shodo Island. This is koikuchi shoyu. Normally, high quality soy sauce is made from a few ingredients: soybeans, wheat, and salt. Pour soy sauce over the chicken. Then add grated garlic and grated ginger. Distribute soy sauce, garlic, and ginger to the chicken evenly. Mix them carefully to prevent from separating the skin from the meat. I made karaage so many times, I used grated onion, sake, mirin, and so on. But recently, this simple recipe is my favorite. Perfect. And rest it in the fridge for 2 hours to soak the flavors. 2 hours later, chicken absorbs the flavors, and the skin is still attached to the meat. Great. And this is 15 grams of potato starch added to the chicken. It's good to use cornstarch instead of potato starch. Distribute the potato starch to the chicken. Potato starch sticks to the chicken and absorbs to the remaining soy sauce. Good. It's made by mixing potato starch and cake flour in equal parts. Potato starch makes the outside of karaage crispy, while cake flour coats the pieces of chicken more easily than potato starch. That's why blend potato starch and cake flour. Let's coat the pieces of chicken with the powders. Set a flat strainer next to the powder. Put the powder on the chicken evenly and thinly. Tap it like this to remove the excess powder. If we put too much powder on the chicken, it will absorb the oil and become greasy. And place it on the strainer. We should coat the piece of chicken one by one carefully. This will enhance the texture of karaage. Good. The sauce didn't remain at all. And ideally rest the chicken in the fridge for at least 3 hours. Resting the chicken in the fridge is quite important. The texture will be light and crispy. Honestly, I didn't let a piece of chicken after coating them with powders. However, if we do this process, the quality becomes amazing. Next, add the powdered heat oil to the chicken. The skin side is slightly dry. Good. While warming up the oil, cut a lemon. This lemon is grown in Ehime Prefecture. Firstly, cut it into half, then trim both sides shortly. We can squeeze the lemon comfortably. Remove the core. Finally, make cuts to squeeze the lemon juice well. Good. Please take a moment. I collaborated with Japanese Food Craftsman. They are popular YouTuber and they have many Japanese knives. Then let me use this kurotori knife. This knife is light and sharp. It's very convenient for my daily cooking. You can buy almost all knives at a 10% discount in my channel. If you're interested in Japanese knives, please check the link. Thank you. Let's deep fry karaage. First, the temperature is around 105 degrees. The heat is medium. The temperature is increasing. Add the chicken facing skin side down. Deep frying is a very important process to make crispy karaage. We need to control the temperature carefully. Once we added chicken into the oil, the temperature decreases, so increase the heat to medium-high. Temperature of the oil rises quickly. Once it reaches 140 degrees, reduce the heat to low. And turn them over. Now 2 minutes and 20 seconds have passed. We don't touch the chicken for the first minutes, because the coating sticks to the chopsticks. Okay, deep fry them for 1 minute around 140 degrees. 1 minute later, remove them from the oil. Deep fry them for 3 minutes and 30 seconds totally around 140 degrees. The chicken is not cooked yet, but this is ideal. I'll do double deep frying method. Okay, the inside is tender and the coating is not crispy. Increase the temperature of a medium-high heat. Once the temperature reaches 180 degrees, return the chicken to the oil. When we return the chicken, the skin of the chicken is facing up. Because I return them over 1 minute later and deep fry the skin side about 90 to 120 seconds to make the skin crispy. If the temperature is high, the oil becomes liquidy and the ingredients become crispier. This is so important. The temperature decreases when we return the chicken. Turn up the heat. And then it reached 180 degrees. Turn them over. I totally turn them only 2 times. We should concentrate on controlling the heat. 90 seconds later, remove them from the oil. The coating becomes firm and beautiful golden brown. And we feel vibration from the chicken. This vibration is because the water inside the chicken is boiling. It's a sign the chicken is cooked. The smell of the chicken and soy sauce is amazing. Good. Place a sheet of paper to absorb the excess oil. Let's arrange karaage on the plate. I love to eat it with cold beer. What would you like to drink with karaage? Finally, place lemon. Okay, karaage is done. Let's eat it. いただきます. The coating is perfect crispy and the meat is moist and tender. I love to eat karaage with lemon juice. The aroma of lemon is so refreshing. This is perfect. I highly recommend this karaage recipe. Hope you will enjoy crispy and delicious karaage. Finally, I'll show you the calligraphy of karaage. Thank you, DJ Enjoy. Today I introduce a very popular Japanese homemade dish, karaage. It takes the time to make it, however, we can make it with a simple ingredients, and the taste is amazing. I hope you enjoy crispy and delicious karaage at your home. Thank you for watching to the end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.